So there we go. Got the intakes back from the machine shop. Had them hot tanked. I don't know if you'd see inside. Got them all cleaned up. Pretty much all of the carbon out. You can see in there. So nice and clean. And also got the ends welded up. So we deleted those swirl flaps. And also cleaned out my heat exchanger. That's nice and spotless in there now. The only problem is the machine shop lost my clip that goes right in here for my coolant sensor. So I got to try to find a way to get a clip. I do have the clip number. Just got to order it from Mercedes. It'll take me a few days to get in. Anyway, if you do this job, you should replace this. Mine was in pretty bad shape. Here's the part number. I think I put it on another video. Anyway, good idea to replace that now because that'll be brutal to replace in the future. But yeah, everything's looking good. Nice and clean. You have your two ports. One's for exhaust, one's for coolant. Oh, these are all exhaust, but for this guy here, exhaust port, coolant port. Then you have your fins in there to cool it down. What else? I believe that's about it. Anyway, this job is coming along nicely.